Every one of us has a beautiful face. We are looking. Do you realize something amazing? That is the power of Allah. Allah created you unique. Nobody can ever lie that you are him or he is you. In fact, sometimes twins look alike. But if you check the DNA, it can never ever fault. A researcher who wants to check, or an investigator, it won't fault them. Do you know the ulama have spoken about this? The scholars, they say it is a sign that there is hisab. Wallahi. The fact that we have different identity completely is a sign that one day you are going to face justice. And in the court of Allah, there can never be a mix-up. It is you. The Prophet Muhammadﷺ says, none of us will enter Jannah because of our deeds. We will enter Jannah because of the mercy of Allah.